Okay guys, we're going to walk the other way now. There's the Cheerio place. A little bit quieter now. Let's go and have a look down the front. A little bit of wind today, so I hope it's not going to be too bad down there. Lovely day, but our kids are just coming out of school. We'll go the other way.
Oh, cheese, baby, jumped on my skin.
Get down this way because the kids are coming out. Yeah, police are out there as usual. They are good with that in Spain. More still when the kids are finished. I'll be there just to look after everything. Great view of Benidorm from up there, Deer Central. Maybe we're going to have to go back up and do it again. I think that was on the old channel, did that one. Anybody can go in. Go up to the top, there's a little bar up there as well. Get some fantastic views over Benidorm Old Town. Yeah, couldn't quite go the way we wanted to go. So we're going to have a little bit of a walk round. I'll walk down one of the alleyways and we'll end up at the front anyway. Things are starting to pick up in Benidorm now. Not really what we going to do the video of, but hey. Go down the other end, I'll show you some of the tapas bars. Last time we did this, most of them were closed. Have a look what it's like today. Cars on the table there, waiting for some scraps. There's still not a lot down here open. I'm surprised, I thought I'd see more bars open. not so well known for the tapas bars, but yeah. Yourself in here. Got somebody having some work done there. Yeah, get yourself in some of the little alleyways. Tapas are going to be cheaper in there. The tapas alley, they're going to be more expensive. Oh, plenty of places to do it in Benidorm. Tapas, look, I always call them tapas, they're tapas, aren't they? Get the right pronunciation. Beach looking lovely today. Put back on there. Absolutely lovely sea, Benidorm back to normal. Music going in the background there. Never going to get copyrighted on that. So it's been one of them things I've got away with quite a bit just lately. Well, they're looking pretty full. Get the sunshine down. Absolutely beautiful day. So, just finishing up for today, I think. Going to do another couple, I think. Then we'll be all finished. Levante Beach there. Well, they're doing all right. A nightclub at night, I think that one. It is 24-hour down here in the summer. See massive queues out here to get in bars and nightclubs.
Caldi di 2 settimane, no? Tu dici che non è 8.
Alright guys, this one here. Oh, find what I was going into now. The American burger chain's going in there. 5 something there. Let me know in the comments. I'll find out when I get home. I'll try and put it on screen if I remember. Yeah. That's going to be another new bar. Oh, another new burger place. For Benidorm, as if we need another one. American franchise. Not Five Alive, is it? It's I can't remember, guys. Hey. Somebody will let me know in the comments, I'm sure. Got this far in the video, well done. finished out fire out there. Over the outbreak. Yeah, look the same now to him.
So, I won't be good at the job.
That's the way he makes his living though, so yeah, there's money in it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.